Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. I think one of the problems for anybody entering the affiliate marketing space is the amount of hype that is flying around, and you've seen the bold claims of how I made $75,000 quickly, 50,000 a day, how I went from 0 to 100,000 in 30 minutes. Well, you know what I mean. And the problem with these claims is they are just obviously not true and just purely clickbait. But the fantasy dreamland in you wants to believe them. You see, there is part of your subconscious that wants these claims of easy money to be real. Now, they can easily override any common sense that you had before you read these claims, and this puts you in a very vulnerable position. And you may go on from this and join some program that offers you just about everything you dreamed about, but after you parted with your hard-earned money, it gives you absolutely nothing. And where does that leave you? Unfortunately, down a deep financial rabbit hole. Now, sadly, affiliate marketing is awash with these types of claims, and it does the industry no good at all, because all that happens is it attracts the spammers and the scammers who prey on beginners and anybody who is not so streetwise, and the desperate people who are looking for a legitimate way to make money online. And it's not just affiliate marketing programs that love the clickbait, it's software and services too in this industry. Just look at some of the products on JVZoo, which is outlandish claims, but have a look at the honest reviews on that product and you will clearly see that things are not quite as they seem. Now, I'm telling you this because I just don't want you to lose any money, and I need you to understand the real truth about affiliate marketing. So let's look at the facts. Yes, you can make money with affiliate marketing. That's a done deal. Can you make money quickly? You can make quick sales if you're lucky in the beginning, but most don't make anything in the beginning. But to get to a position of, say, $3,000 a month, which is $100 a day, then realistically you're looking at 6 months, although some do it in much less time. You see, affiliate marketing only works if you do and you're consistent. You just need to understand that affiliate marketing is a long-term venture and you have to be fully committed. And don't make the same mistakes as the many failures before you, thinking that you can work everything out for yourself. You see, trying to find the missing pieces yourself often leads to frustration and stress, and it's also very time-consuming and it will set back your progress. So I recommend you go straight to somebody who already has all the pieces, and all you need to do is just fit them together. So I'd advise you to get some training that will show you a proven plan of action, and all you need to do is follow it at your own pace, click for click. Now, having the support from a professional affiliate marketer is essential. Getting the guidance when you need it and getting advice from an experienced coach is the key to success. Now, I know I may have destroyed your dreams about fast cash and easy money and get rich quick, but that's what we call a reality check. And the truth is sometimes hard to swallow, but I'm only saying it to you just for your benefit. So these are the affiliate marketing facts, the rules of the game if you like. But if you're happy with the get rich quick mentality, then I wish you all the best. Affiliate marketing is not for you. But if my message has resonated with you, then maybe you're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey. If you want my recommendation of the best affiliate marketing training program that I have seen in 23 years, then here it is. Hopefully, I will see you on the inside. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.